Attention job seekers. An exciting opportunity has just opened up with United Commercial Bank, UCO Bank. They're offering 532 apprenticeship positions, and we've got all the details you need to know. But here's where it gets controversial. The application process has a few unique twists that might catch you off guard if you're not prepared. So, let's dive in and explore this UCO Bank Apprentices Recruitment 2025 announcement together. The UCO Bank Apprentices Recruitment 2025, a golden opportunity. UCO Bank, a prominent financial institution, is seeking talented individuals to join their team as apprentices. This is a fantastic chance for graduates to gain valuable work experience and kickstart their careers in the banking sector. With a total of 532 posts available, the bank is offering a diverse range of opportunities for aspiring professionals. Eligibility and age criteria, a balancing act. To apply for these apprenticeships, you must be a graduate. The age limit is set between 20 and 28 years, which means the bank is targeting a specific demographic. However, there's a twist. Age relaxation rules apply, which could open up this opportunity to a wider range of candidates. So, if you're just outside the age bracket, don't lose hope just yet. Application fees, a fair deal? The application process has a fee attached, which varies based on your category. SC/ST candidates need not pay anything, while PWBD candidates pay 400 rupees plus GST. Gen/OBC/EWS candidates, on the other hand, have to shell out 800 rupees plus GST. This fee structure might spark some debate. Is it fair? Should there be a different approach for different categories? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Selection process, a tough journey? The selection process is a multi-step journey. After paying the online exam fees, candidates will undergo an online test with 100 objective-type questions. The test duration is 60 minutes, and the maximum marks are 100. This is a make-or-break stage, so prepare thoroughly. But here's the catch: the bank reserves the right to change or modify any criteria or method of selection. So, stay updated and keep an eye out for any updates. Application procedure, a step-by-step guide. Applying for these apprenticeships is a straightforward process, but there are a few crucial steps to follow. Register on the NATS portal, https://nats.education.gov.in, or other government apprenticeship portals. Remember your login ID and password, as you'll need them throughout the apprenticeship program. View the UCO Bank apprenticeship advertisement on the NATS portal after logging in. Note down your enrollment ID issued by the NATS portal for future correspondence. Important links and resources. To make your application process smoother, here are some essential links. Apply online, https://nats.education.gov.in. Official notification PDF, https://www.companybank.in/documents//UCO plus bank plus engagement plus of plus apprentices plus %% PDF/DDA5-AFCAT equals. Official website, https://uco.bank.in. Join Aratai channel, https://web.aratai.in/@freejobalertcom. Join Telegram channel, https://t.me/freejobalert officially. Join WhatsApp channel, https://www.whatsapp.com/channel/00291VAL1ECQ1NOZ2PRJLSF3V. Download mobile app, https://play.google.com/store/apps/details?ID=com.freejobalert. FAQs, clearing the air. When can I start applying online for UCO Bank Apprentices 2025? The online application process begins on October 21, 2025. What's the last date to apply online? The last date to apply is October 30, 2025. What's the eligibility criteria for UCO Bank Apprentices 2025? You must be a graduate to apply. What's the maximum age limit for UCO Bank Apprentices 2025? The maximum age is 28 years. How many vacancies are available? A total of 532 vacancies are up for grabs. So, there you have it. UCO-Bank's Apprentices Recruitment 2025 is an exciting opportunity with a few unique twists. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Remember, the key to success is preparation and staying informed. Good luck, and we wish you all the best for your applications.